Hi there. Welcome to Docents DigitalesTV, the channel where learning English becomes simple, practical, and fun. Today, we're focusing on something that can transform both your English skills and your outlook on life: positive mindset phrases. Starting your day with the right mindset can make a huge difference. And when you practice these phrases in English, you're not only improving your language skills, but also setting yourself up for a more productive and positive day. By the end of this video, you'll have powerful phrases to boost your confidence and keep you motivated. Let's dive in. Step 1. Start your day with affirmations. Affirmations are simple, positive statements that you can say to yourself to create a positive mindset. Try these every morning. Today is going to be a great day. I am capable of learning and improving every day. I can handle any challenges that come my way. Say them out loud to practice pronunciation and feel the motivation. Step 2. Phrases for staying positive. When things get tough, having the right words can help you stay on track. Practice these phrases to encourage yourself. Every mistake is a step closer to success. I'm learning something new every day. I have the power to make today amazing. These are perfect for reminding yourself to keep going, even when things feel difficult. Step 3. Phrases to encourage others. Learning English isn't just about talking to yourself. It's also about connecting with others. Use these phrases to spread positivity. You're doing a great job. Keep going. You're improving so much. Don't give up. You've got this. Encouraging others is a great way to build confidence in your speaking skills. Step 4. Practice these phrases daily. Here's how you can make these phrases part of your morning routine. Start your day by saying 2 to 3 affirmations out loud. During challenges, use a phrase like, "I can do this," whenever you feel stuck. Encourage someone. Practice one positive phrase by saying it to a friend or family member. Quick recap. Use affirmations like, "Today is going to be a great day," to start your mornings with positivity. Practice motivational phrases like, "Every mistake is a step closer to success," to stay on track. Use phrases to encourage others and connect with people in a positive way. Make these phrases part of your daily routine to build both your English skills and your confidence. Positive mindset phrases are more than just words. They're tools to help you stay motivated and feel great while improving your English. The more you practice, the more natural they'll feel, and soon, you'll be using them every day without even thinking about it. If this video has been helpful, we'd love your support. Give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Docents DigitalesTV for more practical and uplifting English lessons like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.